Hola, amigos! Welcome to our Spanish learning adventure. Today we're learning the names of five animals in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first animal is a dog. In Spanish, we say perro. Can you say it with me? Perro. Great job! Next up, we have a cat. In Spanish, we say gato. Say it with me. Gato. Amazing! Here comes a bird. In Spanish, it's called pájaro. Let's say it together. Pájaro. Wonderful! Now, let's dive underwater to find a fish. In Spanish, we say pez. Say it with me. Pez. Excellent! Our last animal is big and strong. It's an elephant. In Spanish, we say elefante. Repeat after me. Elefante. Fantastic! Wow, you did an amazing job today. Now you know how to say dog, cat, bird, fish, and elephant in Spanish. Let's review one more time. Perro, gato, pájaro, pez, elefante. Can you remember them all? Practice at home and come back soon for more Spanish fun. Adios!